you are not making money on TikTok right now, that simply means maybe you are using the wrong TikTok. And we all know that in Africa, we are not eligible to do what? To make money, monetize our channel. We only receive money through what? Through gifts. Maybe we are going live and someone gifted us, and maybe Big Lion or stuff like that. So how do you check if you are eligible? Like if your TikTok account is eligible to make money or to monetize. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in this video on how you can check if your TikTok account is being monetized. So this is how to do it here. So this is my TikTok account here. So you can see that the first thing to check if your account is eligible to start making money on TikTok is, you can see I have TikTok shop here. So if I'm to click on my TikTok shop, you can see here I have the function to buy and sell, right? Then the next thing you will check is to come to your profile here. So this is my personal profile here. You can also follow me for more updates like this. Then you come to TikTok, where we have this TikTok studio here. Once you click on it, you will see this page. So if under this monetization here, if you are not having up to 5 to 8 different features, you can see here, these are different features that I can use to make money on TikTok. Now coming to this subscription here, you will see that we have this subscription, joint subscription to monetize your content. So if I think they have criteria. This is the criteria to join. If I have up to 10,000 followers and I have at least 100,000 video watched for the whole 31 days, then I can start to join subscription and start making up to what? Up to $21 every month on just 10 subscribers. That's the first way to make money on TikTok. So you can see that people are actually cashing out on TikTok. Then another means you can use to make money is your TikTok shop for creators. So you can also sell. I told you you can also sell and also buy on TikTok. So with this TikTok creator here, you'll be able to do what? You'll be able to sell on TikTok and you'll be able to buy things on TikTok. So you can see here, I was eligible, but only for me to have 1,000 followers before I can apply, and I'm not up to even 100 followers on this account. So you want to follow me to receive more updates like this. Then another thing here is your TikTok sellers shop. You can also create a sellers shop as well on TikTok. So you can see here, I can easily sign up for my TikTok shop, right? So that's another third way that you can use to make money. Now the real one there is this creators reward program. If I'm to click on it, you will see here that I can be able to monetize my TikTok account and start making cool cash from TikTok. So you can see here, collect reward up to 1 minute video. So if I post up to 1 minute video, TikTok will definitely pay me once I reach their threshold. You can see here, this is their criteria to join. You must be at least 18 years old and you must have at least 10,000 followers. Then the last one is you must at least have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So you can see here, my subscriber is not up to 100. So guys, please follow me for more updates like this, like I've said again. Then you can see that I have gotten over 14,000 watch hour, right? So you can see here, so once I'm eligible here, I'll just click on I'm eligible. So I'll be able to monetize my content on TikTok and TikTok will start paying me, right? So if you don't have this feature, so I can also work with artists. You can see different ways I can use to make money on this channel. So if you don't have this type of content, like this type of these features on your TikTok account, then you cannot make money. Maybe you are using the wrong account. So for you to get this type of account, just comment under this post that I'm interested, and I'm going to share the link with you on how you can get started, on how you can also get a TikTok account like this, so you can start to monetize and start making money from this TikTok of a thing. So I hope you get value, you gain value. Follow me for more videos like this. I will see you in my next tutorial.